So this is the house of Charlene's parents. Charlene is my friend. He's helping me. His parents, his father came to Switzerland in 1970, near about 54 years ago, and he's done great business here, and he's very successful. And you can see the neighborhood here, and it's very near to the airport, so that's why you can listen to the noise of aeroplane. Amazing place, very beautiful. Nice garden in front and the back also. You can see the beautiful neighborhood. Amazing place, beautiful place, a proper place to live. You can see beautiful location. Aeroplane going. The airport is just straight. Ah, what a beautiful neighborhood. Gardens you can see in front of the house. And the children, you can see, going like this. Yeah, beautiful house around. The garden, the balcony, the car. Wow, beautiful. It's a proper way of living. So it's house of my friend's parents. You can see amazing location.